Mastering ISO 14004. Align goals, kill footprints. Where can we find guidance on establishing operational excellence objectives and targets that are aligned with our organization's strategic goals and complement its existing environmental management system, thereby ensuring a clear direction and focus on achieving operational excellence and minimizing our environmental footprint? Guidance on establishing operational excellence objectives and targets that are aligned with an organization's strategic goals and complement its existing environmental management system can be found in several sources. Firstly, the ISO 14004-2016 standard provides guidance on establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an environmental management system, EMS. Clause 6.2 of the standard outlines the requirements for setting environmental objectives, and Clause 6.2.1 specifically addresses the setting of operational objectives. It states that the organization shall establish environmental objectives that are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, and that are consistent with the organization's environmental policy. Additionally, Clause 6.2.2 emphasizes the importance of considering the organization's significant environmental aspects, environmental management system, and associated risks and opportunities when setting objectives. Another valuable resource is the ISO 14001-2015 standard, which provides requirements for an EMS. Clause 6.2 of this standard outlines the requirements for setting objectives and targets, including the need to ensure they are consistent with the organization's environmental policy, take into account the organization's significant environmental aspects, and are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The European Foundation for Quality Management (EFQM) Excellence Model is another framework that provides guidance on establishing operational excellence objectives and targets. The model consists of 9 criteria that are divided into 5 enablers: leadership, people, strategy, partnerships and resources, and processes, and 4 results: customer results, people results, society results, and key performance results. The EFQM Excellence Model provides a structured approach to achieving operational excellence and can be used in conjunction with an organization's EMS to establish objectives and targets that are aligned with its strategic goals. Additionally, the Balanced Scorecard (BSC) framework, developed by Kaplan and Norton, can be used to establish operational excellence objectives and targets. The BSC framework consists of 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. By using the BSC framework, organizations can establish objectives and targets that are aligned with their strategic goals and complement their existing EMS. When establishing operational excellence objectives and targets, it is essential to follow a structured approach that takes into account the organization's strategic goals, significant environmental aspects, and existing EMS. This can be achieved by 1. Reviewing the organization's strategic goals and objectives to ensure alignment with operational excellence objectives and targets. 2. Conducting a review of the organization's significant environmental aspects to identify areas for improvement. 3. Involving stakeholders, including employees, customers, and suppliers, in the objective setting process to ensure that their needs and expectations are considered. 4. Establishing SMART objectives that are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 5. Ensuring that operational excellence objectives and targets are integrated into the organization's EMS and are reviewed and updated regularly. 6. Providing training and awareness programs for employees to ensure they understand the operational excellence objectives and targets and their roles in achieving them. 7. Establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure progress towards achieving operational excellence objectives and targets. 8. Regularly reviewing and evaluating progress towards achieving operational excellence objectives and targets, and making adjustments as necessary. By following this structured approach and using the guidance provided by the ISO 14004, ISO 14001, EFQM Excellence Model, and Balanced Scorecard frameworks, organizations can establish operational excellence objectives and targets that are aligned with their strategic goals and complement their existing EMS, ensuring a clear direction and focus on achieving operational excellence and minimizing their environmental footprint.